10 homes under contract, over $7.5 million. He exhausted his lead pool, went back to the basics, got busy, and has reaped the benefits. Neil, massive increase in conversion rate. He has millions of listings going live at the end of March. And again, he has over 11 deals with 9.3 million. Allie, congratulations, double end on Banyan Tree. Danielle Berg, 6 under contract in 10 days. Scott Yaffe, very challenging closing. His teammates rallied and he got that closing to the finish line. Matt Lamb, year to date, 16 under contract. Jimmy Barton, 8 contracts in 48 hours, over 200 showings on his listings. Amazing. Danny Berg, one of her #1 goals was to be on a billboard in April. She's on that billboard. She accomplished this by serving 5 families in March, total $1.8 million. Kathy Eichelberger offered on a significant over asking, lost out, upped her client's game, and secured a deal that beat out 40 other offers. Destiny met a client at Clayton on an open house, sold Clayton Road week and a half later. Me and the Bergians boys, 12170 Plainsman, fix, flip, 1 under contract, 5 days on the market. Q1 meeting, we handed out awards also. Matt Lamb, buyer agent volume, 200 career homes sold. He's leading the team in units so far. Stacy Cox, listing agent volume in units, leader in 300 career homes sold. Consistently one of our top agents. She's been on 9 years. Barb Story, highest buyer agent units, 175 career sales. Kathy Eichelberger, rookie of the year. Retired teacher, joined our team. We're so glad she did. Jimmy Barton hit his 100th career sold, and he already has 18 under contract this year. Julie Basin, 200 career sales. She's one of the first agents to join our team. 10 years on the team. Daniel Bergens, 500 career homes sold. Unbelievable. And he won the Rolex. The operations team is solid. They're there to support our clients, support the customers, the agents, and they're doing an amazing job. Last month, good news, we continue to grow. 3 new agents. Jeremy Levy's a St. Louisan for the last 2 decades. He is a past on-air radio personality. He should do great in real estate. Seth Otto is a long-life St. Louis resident. He worked in public education. And Natalia Banks, she's a proud resident for the last 10 years, moved from out of the country. Big wins. Matt Lamb, he continues to win. He's already surpassed his 2022 sold for the entire year. Served 25 families last year, 26 families this year. Dina and Angela, new agents on our team, both met new clients and within a week under contract for both on their dream homes. Great job in this tough market. Jimmy Barton, record 12 under contract in 1 month. He developed a great relationship with Conrex Residential. He sold 27 homes. Ryan Miller went through his prospecting client nurturing process, had amazing May with over 1.7 million and 5 under contract. In honor of DJ Khalid, all we like to do is win. We welcomed in June a new business operations manager, Will Ward. He's a past client to 2017. He's worked in real estate for years for a friend. Jimmy Barton, he worked with the buyer this month that doesn't speak any English, worked with the translator, found that client a home that they were looking for, and he got him under contract using that translator. Danny Berg, 2 years ago, while door knocking, she met the mailman in a neighborhood. They made a connection. She bought him a Harley Davidson shirt. Motorcycle enthusiast, and he recently gave her 3 leads. Mike Weiland signed listing paperwork with a past client, but it wasn't just any past client. His first ever client 5 years ago. Matt Lamb, been working with the buyer for 2 years. Finally, their 9th written offer was accepted. Stacy Cox, 3 listings under contract in 1 day. Wellington, Amberway, and Cherry Hill. Ryan Miller, first billboard of the month on a heck of a May that he earned it on.
We hosted a community garage sale, 3 neighborhoods in Chesterfield, Bluffs, Wildhorse, Somerset, Spring Hill Bluffs, 20 participating households, including our chief growth officer had her kids. Sarah Shoy had a lemonade stand. She continues to recruit, and hire, getting people in action. Bill Kiefer, he continues to sign listings up and get them sold. Mark Seibel, June was big because of Father's Day. It was his first Father's Day as a new parent. Brittany, she continues to just hit the phones, continue to show properties, serving those buyers. She's on the doorstep of some great contracts. Courtney, she continues to sell SOI. Forever clients refer her. She just builds relationships. June, unbelievable month. July looks like it's going to be a great month already. We're ahead of last July in terms of both units and volume. We're looking for an amazing third and fourth quarter.